From fresh face to full glam, watch this NYSC graduate transform right before your eyes. This isn't just makeup, it's a celebration of her journey, her hard work, and the next exciting chapter ahead. And trust me, the final look, absolutely stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. Stay with me to the end because you don't want to miss this glow. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you through a full glam makeup transformation on this gorgeous NYSC graduate as she gets ready for her big day, passing out from service. You know how special this moment is, right? After moments of dedication, stress, and early morning drill, she deserves to step out looking and feeling her absolute best. And guess what? We are creating a look that is soft, elegant, and long-lasting because this celebration is going to be all-day affair. Before we even think about foundation, we have to prep the skin. A smooth base equals a flawless finish. I'm starting with a lightweight hydrating moisturizer to keep her skin fresh and glowy because dry patches, we don't do that here. Next, I'm applying a hydrating primer before the mattifying primer to keep everything locked in. NYSC might be over, but the Nigerian sun is still outside and we are not about to let it mess up this bit. Now, on to foundation. I'm using a shade that matches her skin perfectly because we don't do floating faces here. Blending it with a damped beauty sponge to keep it seamless. Look at the finish. It is giving skin, but better. Then a touch of contour to bring back dimension, soft blended and sculptured, just how we like it. A little blush to bring back warmth to her cheeks because nothing says I'm glowing and thriving like the perfect flush of color. Next, concealer to brighten up her under eyes, the bridge of her nose, and her chin, giving her that fresh, awake look. To lock in all the cream process, I'll be using my Kiss setting spray for that. Next, setting powder to lock everything in because we need this bead to last all day. We are adding soft contour to bring back dimension, nothing too harsh, just enough to sculpt and enhance her natural features. Look at that blend, perfection. A touch of blush to bring warmth and life back to her cheeks. This is the secret to that youthful radiant look. It's like an instant facelift. A light bake under the eyes, then pressing in the rest of the powder to keep everything smooth. Next up, brows. Now I always say brows can make or break a look. And today we are going for soft, defined and natural. I'm using a brown pencil to gently shape them, keeping it light in front and a bit more defined towards the tail. Take a look at that arc, filling them in just right to keep things snatched but still natural. That's the goal. For the eyes, we are keeping it simple but stunning. A soft brown transition shade to define the crease, then a subtle matte on the lid for the effortless glow. Nothing too dramatic, just a touch of elegance to make her eyes pop. And of course, blending is the name of the game. No harsh lines over here. And now lashes, because what's a transformation without lashes, right? These ones are lightweight but give just the right amount of drama, instantly opening up her eyes and making her look like the star she is. And look at that blink, mesmerizing. For the lips, we are doing a soft nude combo, a brown lip liner to define a creamy nude lipstick, and a little gloss to finish it off. Simple, elegant, and perfect for the occasion. And just like that, she's ready to slay her NYSC partner ceremony. Look at her, radiant, confident, and absolutely stunning. From a fresh face to a full glam, this transformation is everything. She's stepping into her next chapter looking like the queen she is. If you love this transformation, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what's your go-to glam look for special occasions. I would love to hear your thoughts. And please always turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platform, link in my bio. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.